Hello, and welcome to training. This series of videos is designed to help get you started on our system. This video is the first in a series designed to walk you through the startup configuration. The videos will be numbered and contain bite-sized chunks of information which you can progress through or revise where required. Please note, there is a companion document called the Startup Manual. Let's get started. In the steps which follow, we will be creating your first campaign. The campaign is the reason behind why you are calling your customers. If you had a different product with a different set of customers, it would typically use a different campaign. You are not limited by the number of campaigns you can have. In fact, once you have built the first campaign here with me, it will be very simple for you to copy and build out your contact center. Using the URL you have been provided for your region, paste it in your Chrome browser. Enter your email address, which will typically be your login. Then enter the password shared with you. If you are using single sign-on, then your login process will be different. If you have been given agent and administrator access, you will be presented with some options. Select the blue button, illustrated with the tool, to access the administrator portal. On your screen now will be the Contact Space main menu. Please select Wizards. Then select Outbound as we are building out your first outbound campaign. On your screen, you have transitioned to Wizard Creation. At Step 1, please name your campaign. You can enter a brief description in if you like. The campaign type is Outbound. Select your time zone. Where are you in the world, or importantly, where are your agents located? This will set the time zone for their callback clock. Our system operates on campaign and agent callbacks. Setting the clock syncs the system to the agent's time zone. More about callbacks in video 2. Next, place a tick alongside the days your agents will be dialing from Monday to Sunday. Leave unticked any days your agents will not be calling customers. Alongside each day, change the opening and closing hours on the 24-hour clock to indicate your start and close times. Please note your agents will not be delivered a record beyond the hours you have set here regardless. You will have the opportunity to change these later. Once you have finished, please click the purple Next button located on the lower right of your screen. At Step 2, indicated by the tabs at the top of your screen, we will select a file. In this section, we are creating your fields. Our dialer operates on fields. A field is required for any information you wish to bring into the system to aid agents in their conversations. For example, a mobile phone number is a field needed by the dialer, the customers. First name is a field required by the agent, as is their surname. The customer's address may be another. After creating your fields here, you can add more later if required. You have two options here. Option 1, you can click on Generate to use our system default fields, which will give you all the fields you would typically require. Option 2, you can select a new file. You would typically use this option if you were extracting and uploading data to and from a CRM, Customer Relationship Management System, and you wanted to align your field names in Contact Space with those in your CRM. If you want to go ahead with Option 2, please create a file in Excel with your field names. Your field names should be listed in your preferred order along the top of the spreadsheet, in the header, so in A1, A2, A3, and so on. Only include the fields your agents require for the conversation. Your field names should not include any special characters, such as a question mark or a $sign. It is very important that you save this file in a .csv format. Next, select the file and upload. For our example, I am going to use the default file, then click Generate. Regardless of the file type you chose, you should have a success banner. If not, please pause the video and redo this step. Once you are ready, please click on the purple Next button. Step 3. Confirm fields. Your fields will be listed here along with the assigned field type. If you use the default fields, all of your field types will be correct. If you imported your own fields, the system will have tried to identify types on fields based on your naming convention, but you will need to check these. We will address the field types in video 3. For now, if you could click on the purple Next button. Please click on the purple Next button, progressing through all tabs until you reach Step 7. You're done. Click on the green Save and Activate button. Good work! You have finished your wizard configuration, and you may have noticed that the system has pushed you into campaigns on the main menu. If you have noticed that your campaign has a red status button, that is expected, and we will address it in the next video. This brings us to the end of video 1. See you in video 2, where we will begin looking at the campaign editor. Thank you for your time today. Bye for now.